Welcome to the next video, compiling your code with batch files. Today we're going to take a look at gotos. Gotos are not good in C code, but they're okay in batch files. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So now we can add labels and gotos. This is not always necessary, but it's good to know that you can use them to jump around in the batch file. The first thing we're going to do is change the target number from 4 to 5. Let's make sure we're compiling the right file. Should say 5. It does. Okay. So let's do some simple gotos just to show you how it works. We could have a label here. We could get rid of that and just say, put colon and label good. And we'll say, then we'll run the code. Instead of doing up here, we can just say go to good. When we hit this, it's going to jump to good. It's going to run this target. Now, we would like to also say bad. If it's bad, then we're going to go here. Let's go to bad. All right. Let's see what happens. Well, it says it worked and error compiling code. So once you jump to label good, it's going to run this line and just keep going. It's going to run this line. So we need some way to skip. We can say done. We can do good there and say go to done. And we can come here and do the same thing. Is this a little over-engineered? Of course, for this simple example, you don't need any of this, but it's good to know that you can do it. It's a good tool to have in your toolbox. Let's run this and see what happens. It worked. We can give this code an error. We'll take out the semicolon like we did last time. If we run it again, we should see the error. And in fact, we do. So that's working. So there you go. That's how to use gotos. Next time, we're going to look at deleting files and folders and copying things around and just cleaning things up in general. So until next time, happy coding. Stay curious.